Hello everyone, my name is Hello everyone. My name is James Lloyd Ruiz. I am 19 years old and I am from Lambusan, San Remeo, Cebu. So, if there's an object that would represent me as a person, I would say it is a pawn. So, to those who don't know what pawn is, so it is one of the pieces in the game what we call chess. So that's why I choose it, because no matter how hard the life gets, I always keep moving forward. I may not be the strongest or the important, but I believe that every small step brings me closer to becoming a better version of myself. Thank you.